Hello dears, so today we will start a new unit, Unit 9, Go Green. We will start with the first lesson, page 83. So in front of us we have page 83. On top of the page we have 4 words with pictures. Let's start with the first one, destroy. What's the meaning of destroy? To destroy something means to damage it or hurt it very badly. Next word is pollute. What's the meaning of pollute? To pollute, mainly the air or the water or the soil, means that you make it dirty or harmful for people. Next word is bring. What's the meaning of bring? Is when you take or carry something to someone or to a specific place. Next word is land. What's the land? It's a piece of the earth, in which there is no water. On the right of the page, on top, we have 4 words, grow up, environment, save, and alive. What's the meaning of grow up? Grow up is when you are getting older or becoming an adult. Environment, it's the air, water, or land on which or in which we live, people and animals and plants. Save. What's the meaning of save? Is when you stop someone from or something from getting hurt. Alive. It means living, not dead. Now let's move to the poem. Let's save the word. We have to read the song or the poem and complete with the words in the box. How many words we have? We have 6 words. Survive, rubbish, fish, hell, planet, and job. I need you to read the poem and then try to figure out the missing words. I'm going to read the poem without revealing the words. I need you to do it first by yourself. Let's save the word. When I grow up, I'll save the word. Saving wildlife in the ocean and on land. When I grow up, I'll save the word. But until then, please, if you can. Don't destroy the environment. We need it too. Don't pollute the rivers. Let's keep them alive. Don't leave in the country. Bring a bag and take it with you. Don't just think about your problems. We all live on this too. When I grow up, I'll save the word, saving wildlife in the ocean and on land. When I grow up, I'll save the word. It's not an easy, but I will do what I can. Now, after you read the poem and you completed the words, I will give you the answers. First, hell. Second word, survive. Third, fish. Fourth, rubbish. Fifth, planet. And the 6th one, job. Now let's move to the grammar section. As you can see, you have in the grammar box, you have 3 sentences. Let's start with the first one. Don't worry, I will help you. I'll is the short form of will. So it's like I'm saying, don't worry, I will help you. Don't worry, I'll help you, or don't worry, I will help you. The second sentence, I won't lie to you again, I promise. So won't is the short form of will not. So I say, I won't lie to you again, I promise. Or I can say, I'll not lie to you again, I promise. We use will and will not to talk about the future for decisions, promises, or predictions. Let's look at further explanation for the future will, for the use of will. When I use will in an affirmative sentence, in the first here, I will eat, you will eat, he will eat, she will eat, it will eat, we will eat, you will eat, and they will eat. If you notice here, we use all the pronouns in the same way. The personal pronoun plus will plus verb. If it is the negative form, I write or I use my pronoun, personal pronoun, then I use want and then the verb. I won't eat, for example, or he won't eat. Notice here that won't again is will not. For the questions, I will start with will, then the pronoun, the personal pronoun, and then the verb, and then the question mark. Will I eat? Will you eat? Will he eat? Will she eat? Will it eat? Will we eat? Will you eat? Or will they eat? If I'm going to answer this question, my answer will be yes or no. So if yes, I will write yes, comma, then personal pronoun, then will, then full stop. Or I will answer with no and I will say no, then personal pronoun, then won't. For example, yes, I will, yes, she will, or no, I won't, no, she won't. Now let's move to the uses of will. We use will too. First, to make requests, offer, or refuse help. So either to make requests, to offer help, or to refuse help. Let's read the example. Will you please help me carry these bags? So the woman here is asking for help. She's asking for help. She's making a request. She's asking the man to help her. The man either will answer with yes or no. If the answer is yes, he will say, of course I will. If his answer is no, he will say, no, I won't, but I'll ask my son. This is just an example, okay? The second use of will, to make promises. Let's read what the girl is saying. I'll clean the living room, Mom. So the girl is promising her mom to clean the living room. The third use is to make predictions. Let's read what the girl is saying. I think they will drink milkshakes. So she's looking at the two boys. They are going to the milkshakes shop. So she's making a prediction. She made the result, or she predicts that they will drink milkshakes. Now let's move to activity 3. Tell your partner a few things you want to do when you grow up. Use the verbs in the box and your own ideas. As we have seen in the grammar section, we use will to talk about the future. So we will do the same here, but I will start my sentence with when I grow up. Same as this example, the boy is saying, when I grow up, I will buy a house in the country. When I grow up, I'll buy a house in the country. I need you to do the same. You start your sentences with when I grow up. Each time you start with when I grow up, then comma, and then you choose from these verbs and you make your own sentence. We have how many verbs? We have buy, become, build, drive, travel, win, write, go, play, etc. You can add other verbs if you want, but these are verbs that you can use. You make a sentence. I will give you some examples. 2 examples are here. When I grow up, I'll write a book. When I grow up, I'll become a firefighter. Again, when I grow up, I'll write a book. When I grow up, I'll become a firefighter. You do the same and you write your own sentences, and you can send me your work to check it. Thank you.